बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। PMS BS 17 2020 PPSC पेपर्स जी के पोर्शन का ये दूसरा पार्ट है। तो इस सिलसिले में सवाल नंबर 21 है, आइडेंटिफाई द मोस्ट बेनिफिटेड सेक्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान बिकॉज ऑफ GPS प्लस ड्यूटी फ्री एक्सेस टू यूरोपियन यूनियन। तो इसका जो दुरुस्त जवाब है वो है ऑप्शन सी, टेक्सटाइल एंड गारमेंट्स। ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है। Question number 22. The title of Ambassador of Hindu Muslim Community Unity was given to Qaid Azam by. Its answer option is option C, Sir Sir Johnny Naidu. Option C correct. Question number 23. Qaid Azam resigned from the membership of Imperial Legislative Council on account of. Option B is correct, Rowlatt Act. Question number 24. Wealth of Nation was written by. Its correct answer is Adam Smith. एडम स्मिथ की ये किताब थी वेल्थ ऑफ नेशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी वाज गिवन टू USA बाय. इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, फ्रांस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. वाटरगेट स्कैंडल इज रिलेटेड टू. ऑप्शन सी, स्पाइंग। Question number 27. The Article 3 of Sustainable Development as SDGs of UN relates to. Its answer is option A, health. Question number 28. The Treaty of Versailles settled peace in. Its answer is option D, Europe. Option D, Europe. Question number 29. International Monetary Fund IMF was created after the. Its answer is question number 29. Option D, Bretton Woods Conference. Bretton Woods Agreement है ये इसका correct answer. Question number 30. China have claim on one part of Indian province. Its answer is option A, is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 31. The political term shadow cabinet stands for. Question number 31. Its answer is option B, a group of specialized cities. In this, critics in the official fields are opposition party. Question number 32. Deal of the century presented by us President Donald Trump related to. Option D, it's Palestine issues. Question number 33. The lengthiest written constitution of the world is. Its answer is option B. Its answer is option B, Indian Constitution. Question number 34. The word Rex stands for. Its answer is option B, the king. Question number 35. Ho Chi Minh was. इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, लीडर ऑफ वियतनाम। ये लीडर ऑफ वियतनाम का नाम है हो शी मिन। Question number 36. Continental shelf limits of Pakistan is, its answer is option D, 350 nautical miles. Question number 37. Soviet Union was replaced by Russian Federation in, its answer is December 1991. Option C is correct. Question number 38. Settlement of settlement of border dispute and signing boundary agreement with China proved a milestone in the history of Sino-Pak relation. Which of the following diplomats rendered his serves to finalize the agreement? So question number 38, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी। Its answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Option C. Question number 39. Kyoto Protocol came into force in 2005. 2005 is its correct answer. Question number 40. Pakistan installed her first nuclear power station in Karachi with the cooperation of Canada. कनाडा के ताउन से पाकिस्तान ने कराची में फर्स्ट न्यूक्लियर पावर स्टेशन लगाया। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। ये इस PMS BS17 PPSC का जो पेपर था 2020 का, उसका दूसरा पार्ट था। तो इसके मज़ीद 3 पार्ट और होंगे, तो वो बाकी पार्ट भी देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक और शेयर करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी नासिर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।